Hello there people, welcome back to the channel. This is our T4 Syncro truck we just recently acquired. We're going to do a little build video on it about bits of bodywork and painting it, but we're going to do a performance build on it. So we're going to do a little bit of tuning and that on it, but we're going to start off with an exhaust from PP Tuning. They kindly sent us an exhaust for it, and then we're going to work our way up and do bits and pieces like that. If you like what we're doing, put in the comments what else you'd like to see, and yeah, let's go and have a look around the truck.
Yeah. T4 mayhem. Roll up, slide door. Let's go. Pulled up, rusty, dreaming primer. Spanners on the floor, tea getting colder. Customer saying, mate, can you save her? We just laugh, snap a pic for the folder. Bench to a bed in a weekend. Fresh room, every light now gleaming. Square van, big plan, side door open. From a workhorse straight to a daydream. Lay low, coil lovers kiss that tarmac. Stillies on 5-spoke stance on the tap. Pop top up, whole camp just staring. Old plate, new life, that's our habit. It's that T4 mayhem. Old vans, new mayhem. From the ramp to the campsite blaze, we turn hard miles into show day glaze. T4 mayhem. Hard tight, whole base shaking. From the keys to the showground gate, we make bricks ride great. That's T4 mayhem. Yeah. Show season, dawn mist on the lay-by. Convoy in the mirror like a grey tide. Slow cruise, every bay got a story. Sticker on the glass, full tank, no worries. On and out, kettle on, by the hedge, kids in the tent.
This is the truck, Syncro. Definitely needs some welding, poor thing. So we've got this side to do seals. It's okay inside. It's got all the switches and everything. Go and have a wander around the other side and have a look. Look, there's a coach built there. Look at that. Lovely looking vehicle. Bit of arch. Outer seal this side. Yes, so a little bit of welding to do. This is what we've got to play with. It's a 102 brake. So it's got the top mount intercooler and everything on it. So there we are. There's the truck. And hopefully you like the series, what we're going to build. The videos will be a little bit longer, like what we're doing and everything. Please put in the comments what you'd like to see more of. Oh, these are hoodies as well, by the way. So if you like our hoodies or want a t-shirt or anything, t4mayhem.com and get all your merch. Yeah, if you like the builds, what we're going to be doing, and you like the videos of the motorhome, let us know in the comments what you like, see what we can do, and yeah, there we are people. That's another video done. Please like and subscribe and hit that hype button. Talk to you soon people.
Every van that we touch